Hi, I'm Carl from ITG, and we've just bought this development car, Hyundai, apparently that's the only way to say it, i30N, and we are going through development cars because we're developing black label carbon induction kits for those popular performance cars, and this was next on the list. We've got a nice list to go through, and you know, we get to drive them, which is fantastic. Now this, you know, I'm not a young man, but this feels like hot hatch in every sense of the word, because it is, but refined, you know, grown up. It's a 2-litre turbo, the GDI. It is 276 brake horse, 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds, top speed 155 miles an hour, 6-speed gearbox, sport mode. It's got everything, but it's refined, and yet it's just, you know, it's just something a bit cheekier about it than a Golf GTI. And it's not necessarily being like the top of the tuning choices for all those tuning companies, but it's getting there, you know, and because it's desirable, they've stopped making the i30N. It's holding its value, and it's doing really well. We've got some other upgrades, chassis upgrades and what have you planned for it, with some help from our PAAA partners, so I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm sure they'll really complement what we're doing. So we've already got a Profilter BH filter for the standard airbox already produced, and an induction kit using our off-the-shelf airboxes. But like I say, we're going to make the black label version for it, which will be quite exciting. You know, for my boss who's listening, I've not put this into sport mode since we've had it. Not tried it once. So this will be interesting. So we've fitted the air filter. I think we've done a little video about the fitment. It's dead easy, takes 30 seconds. And obviously our Profilter range provides better airflow, better filtration, long life because it's recyclable. So our Profilter range is just a fantastic sort of level 1 upgrade, if you like. And we're going to try this again with our induction kit then. I can't wait for that. But when you're driving around, the only thing that sort of belies the fact that it is a hot hatch is that it's just the road holding. The handling is brilliant. I mean, this is on Michelin Pilots, which does help, of course. Fantastic tyre. I haven't tried sport mode yet. I'm just doing this in, you know, in the interests of development and testing. I didn't just put my head back on purpose. It's like, it's fantastic. And the brakes don't fade. They're strong. They're on point. I love this. I actually don't want this one to go. So we've only just fitted the Profilter, and we're going to give it a few days for the ECU to sort of catch up. There's no MAF sensor on these, so it's fairly instant. But I've driven a few miles on it, not in sport mode, and I will just give it a few days with the Profilter, and then we'll swap over to the first level induction kit. I mean, it's just such a good car, and what we're doing is just to try and complement it. So I'm just pulling back at work. I'm just gonna put it back into eco mode.